Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have a really cool and easy to use money making application that gives you money just for listening to music. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money making videos showing to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so the app I want to show you guys today is shown in the top left corner of my screen as usual, and it is called Music Go. I'll be putting the link in the description below, but it is available for Android phones. Now when you first open the link, the application, it's going to bring you to their home page, and from here you can see how much time you've listened to music. And the way that you earn money is by earning these gems, which you can see in the top of the screen. Right now I have 541 of them. And with these gems you can potentially earn money, which is shown on the left here, and with that money you can then withdraw it to PayPal. So first, you can see I do have $20, and I just want to show you guys a successful withdrawal. So what I'm going to do is just show you guys that right now. So we'll go into the money tab, and it's going to show you here that I have a $20.26 balance for PayPal, and this is above their minimum cash out level, which is $20. So now I have enough to cash out, which means now what I have to do is just tap here on cash out, and from there all I have to do is enter my PayPal email. So let me do that right now. Alright, so now I've entered my email and just have to tap on got it, and now you can see that the amount was taken out from my balance. So that should go into my email and into my PayPal account very soon. Alright, so now you may be wondering, how do you actually earn these gems, and how do you earn money from the gems? So as I said, you have to listen to music in order to earn gems. So once you have listened to music for long enough, there's going to be this little button here which looks like a gem, like floating in some sort of purple liquid, and you're going to be able to tap it, and after you tap it you can see it says that I got 5 gems. And now you can also double it by watching an advertisement, a video advertisement that will play, and if you watch that then you can actually get 10 gems instead of 5, so it's going to give you double. Now once you do click on it, you can see that the purple liquid thing goes away, which means that you have to keep on using the app even more in order to earn more gems. So in order to do that, you just have to go down here into playlists, into home, and from there you can see different radio stations that you can listen to that will play music. So you can see there's top artists here, there's like Michael Bublé, some other people, and there's also different charts that you can listen to, or you can just go down here. Let's just say I wanted to listen to some classical music, and then you go into the playlist and then you tap on play all, and from there you just tap on play, and now you can see that it is playing on the app. And by playing music you can then fill up your gems once this bar, let's go back, once this bar right here will fill up, you can then just tap it again, and as before it's going to give you even more gems. So you can see it's actually almost there. It fills up pretty quickly, so you just have to be aware that you have to keep on tapping on this like every minute or so, because that's how fast it'll fill up for you. So that's how you earn gems. And now what do you do once you have a lot of gems? Now let's go back onto the home screen, and here you can go onto the earn page again, and now you can see on the bottom here they have different types of puzzles that you can complete to earn gift cards. So you can see, for example, in my PayPal one, I've earned 6% of all of the puzzle pieces that they have. I believe that there are 16 puzzle pieces that you need to collect in order to earn the prize. And once you collect all of the puzzle pieces, you get whatever the prize is, which, for example, the PayPal one is $20 in PayPal. But you have to be aware that the puzzle pieces will reset after about a month. So this one will reset on September 5th, 2020, which is a month from now. So you need to make sure that you earn all of the puzzle pieces before that date so that it doesn't reset and you can actually earn your gift card. But if you want to earn more, you just go down here into the spin to win. And you can see that it says spin to win puzzle pieces. So what you have to do is just tap right here on the spin. And it's going to give you many different options. So you can either earn more gems, you can earn a puzzle piece, you can actually earn more cash, or you won't earn anything. So you can see here that I've now earned 10 gems, and let's say that I actually wanted to double these gems. We just have to watch an ad. So there, now you can see that this ad is playing. It had about a 30-second timer. They're going to vary between 15 and 30 seconds. So you just have to watch it until the end. And once it finishes, there's going to be a X button that pops up in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on that, and you're going to earn your doubled gems or whatever else that your prize is. So this should be finishing up pretty soon. Okay, finished. Now you can see that there is the X in the top right corner of the screen, so let's tap on that. And now you can see that we earned our gems.
Alright, so the goal here is to earn the puzzle pieces, but you need to be aware that there's only one puzzle piece spot for every spin, which means that they're kind of rare to get, since just by random odds means that you're less likely to land on the puzzle piece spot as opposed to one of the gem spots. But I want to keep on trying to earn a puzzle piece, just so I can show you guys what that looks like. When it happens, I'll do a couple more. If I don't get it, then oh well. But hopefully I do, because I just want to show you guys what you do once you do earn a puzzle piece spot, or actually even maybe a cash prize, because you have to actually watch an ad in order to redeem them. Alright, so it looks like we've been getting pretty close, but not sure if we're going to get there. Alright, well, I think it's going to take too long to get a puzzle piece, but in any case, if you do get one, you have to fill out 16 of them, so you need to get 16 puzzle pieces in order to complete the puzzle, and when you do get one, you have to actually watch an ad to claim it, so just keep that in mind. You have to click on the watch ad in order to redeem the puzzle piece. Now, there are some more ways to earn spins. You can watch a video, which will give you a +1 in your spin, which is a daily thing. You can also get more puzzle pieces by paying gems, and you can see there is a random puzzle piece that will be given out to you for 500 gems. So if you want to fast track it, you can just keep on playing the music, and then you can get 500 gems, and from there you can do this random puzzle piece. So let's just do that right now, and you can see it is randomly going through the puzzle. So just tap on cut, and then we got a new piece. So now we have 2 pieces out of the 16, which means we need 14 more in order to get the puzzle completed. So now, besides that, you can see that they have different rewards. So they have Amazon, they have Google Play, they have Starbucks, Walmart, and so forth. And actually, another thing I forgot, to earn more gems, you can see that there are these bubbles here. You just have to tap on it, and it'll give you, you can see we got 50 gems just by tapping on that bubble. It was very easy, you don't have to do anything, and it just gives you gems right there. And it'll reset after a certain amount of time, so you can see the time there is when you can tap on that bubble again in order to get even more gems. And also, one more thing is there are daily check-ins. So you can see there are different rewards each day for checking in. So we're going to get 100 gems today just by tapping on check-in. So now you can see that we did get our 100 gems in the middle of the screen right here. And another thing that you can do, they have different tasks, actually. So you can see down here that if you invite some friends, you can claim this task. If you listen to music for 30 minutes, you can claim this one. So now we got 10 gems just for doing that. It's very easy to earn gems this way because you just tap on the button and it'll give you the gems. And one more thing that you can do to earn even more gems is by inviting your friends. So as you can see on the screen, it says if you invite friends, you get 5% of whatever gems they earn for a lifetime. So there's no limit here, up to 10 friends, but between those 10 friends, there's no limit. And your friends will get a 200 gem bonus, while you get 5% of whatever your friend earns on gems for life. And what you do is you just take this shareable link right here, and then if people sign up under your link, then you'll earn this 5% bonus. So it's very easy to use, and it just gives you incentive to invite your friends to also use the app with you. So yeah, that's about it, guys, for this video and for this app. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.